Congratulations. Thank you so much, Miss Ning. Next question naman is from...
Hi guys, I'm Rowena from starcinema.com.ph. Yung first question ko para sa'yo, Kim. Kasi curious ako, paano nyo pinaghandaan ni Miss Ai yung pagkakapareho yung similarities sa expressions, mannerism, kasi kitang-kita sa trailer na parang sobrang similar niya talaga. So, paano nyo pinaghandaan yun? Ano yung mga pinag-usapan niyo for that?
Kami ni Mama Ai, nakakatuwa nga kasi hinahayaan niya ako. Parang, ano gagawin natin dito, baby girl? So sabi ko, eto gagawin natin, Mama Ai. Bago tayo mag-live, gagawin muna tayo. Tapos 1, 2, eto naman, 1, 2, 3. Tapos gagawin tayo, 1, 2, 3. Tapos babawasan na lang ni Direk. Huwag na yung dulo, dalawa lang. So mga ganun. So hinahayaan niya ako yung mga expression namin. Tapos gagayahin niya. Tapos babawasan, i-edit pa lang ni Direk. Tapos yung parang ganun. Parang pares kayo, may bilang kami. 1, 2, 3, gano'n.
May choreography.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, gano'n.
Alright. Ito naman, medyo, palalim lang ng konti. Yung dun sa concept naman ng past tense, kayo personally, kung merong moment sa past nyo, specific moment lang sa past, na hanggang ngayon sa present nyo sobrang relevant, ano yung pwede nyo ma-share sa amin?
What do you mean? Na parang ano?
Balikan.
As in, like, gusto namin balikan pa?
Or, not necessarily po, basta po, moment sa past, parang pwedeng victory, or parang maybe a heartbreak, or challenge po.
That's
From
still
the
fresh sa memory namin. Relevant in what sense?
Na hanggang ngayon po parang it helped you become the person you are today.
Okay. Kung ganon, I think, marami. Kasi, I'm 41, so marami na akong pinagdaanan sa life. Marami na! Mature! Ay, mature! Hindi, pero siguro, one is, yung my dad, losing my dad na before I became a director. So parang every time, parang like now, whatever I do, I just imagine that he's still there watching me. So parang, alam ko that I regret na I missed out on a lot of, moments with him. But I know that he was my #1 fan and he was cheering me on the whole time and he didn't mind that I wasn't there. So parang alam ko that whatever I'm doing now, would have no relevance if I just give up and if I stop, because I know that he really inspired me to be where I am right now. So yun, siguro that it was really painful, but knowing that my dad's loss is, parang I'm dedicating this to my dad's loss, or to my dad. Yun, siguro that's one. And then of course, mistakes in life, you live and you learn. Parang maraming little things eh. The little things are the big things. So the little mistakes that I've made in the past, make up for the big changes in my life. It's hard to enumerate all these eh. Pero I think, yun, siguro, given that I've made a lot of mistakes na before, ang hirap nang i-share lahat. Baka hanggang bukas tayo.
Hanggang showing na.
Oo, showing na hindi pa tapos. Ito sa mga bagets. Ano sa inyo?
One mistake.
Kanin.
Para sa akin, one mistake I made was back in high school. Nung making a transition from junior varsity to varsity basketball. Kasi there's a lot to take away from that. Kasi nung junior varsity ka, you get all the privileges. You get to be part of the starting five. Pag varsity ka na, you have to prove yourself again. So what that taught me is, hindi ka pwede masyado maging kampante. Yun yung, I guess para sa akin at that time, masyado ako naging kampante. Pag crossover ko naman, ganito pa rin ako eh, ito pa rin eh. So I carry that to now na pag masyado kang kampante, matatanggal sa'yo yung mga privileges na meron ka. Yeah.
Kay Kim naman.
Ako, wala naman masyadong major. Pero siguro yung sa mom ko, kasi she left ng mga 9 years old ako. Sana napigilan ko, pero bata pa kasi ako noon eh. Siguro dapat may pera lang ako noon. Dapat hindi ako natulog.